Great.
Hello explorers and welcome to the last video of this year.
We are currently here at Fort Klapperkop. We've been coming here enjoying the views for the last 12 years. Ever since we've known each other, we've been coming here, talking, enjoying the views, eating snacks, having picnics. This place is really amazing.
There's not one, but 5 viewpoints that you can observe Pretoria from the north side and the south side. Let's show you.
This is viewpoint number 1 when you enter the gate from the eastern side, and as you can see, the view is spectacular here.
You can see the Telkom building. You can see Loftus Versveld, LCM, Brooklyn Mall, University of Pretoria, and Mamelodi, I think. Well, hello there.
I'm not the only animal here. If you're lucky, you can spot zebras, blue wildebeest, and red hartebeest.
Viewpoint number 2.
This is viewpoint number 3, where you can see towards the south of Pretoria and Joburg. What else can we see from here?
You can see Impalas down here, and then you can see Groenkloof Nature Reserve and Waterkloof Air Base.
This is viewpoint number 4. You'll know this one from the bicycle that is standing here. And this view is amazing. You can see the whole of the city of Pretoria. We are sitting here thinking back of all the good memories we've had here, thinking back of all the times we came here at night to watch all the city lights. By the way, it's only open from 8 to 5 these days. They don't open at night anymore. So we decided to sit here and just reflect on the past year, seeing that it's coming almost to an end. So, how was the year for you?
I think it was one of the toughest years, and we survived. It was a really tough year for me, and I think for a lot of people out there. And next year is going to be amazing. How was your year?
I definitely do agree with you. It was a difficult year, a lot of projects and stuff to pack on. But yeah, I think we did survive it, and it wasn't so bad if you look back at it now.
What was the one highlight that stood out for you this year?
I think if I have to choose only one, it's difficult to choose only one, but I think the number 1 highlight for me was the trip we did to Zanzibar, spending time together, seeing that amazing country. It's a place we've both never been to before. And definitely the trip we did to Mozambique earlier this year, the boys' trip we did. That was definitely also the number 2 on my list. So, what is something you are looking forward to in 2023?
We have 2 road trips planned. One is in a country and another one is also in a country. And the second one I think is the biggest one. It's a 2-week road trip and we can't wait to show you that.
Welcome to viewpoint number 5. In our opinion, this is the best one. This is where we took our first selfie and had our first picnic about 12.5 years ago.
Yeah, I still had the chance to return me to my parents. Unfortunately, no return policy now, eh?
No,
Sorry.
definitely not, and I don't want to return you. We just started talking off camera, and then we discussed that something we really do not regret doing this year was starting this YouTube channel to share memories with our friends and family and you guys, the viewers.
We hope you have a blessed festive season and spend it with loved ones, and we hope you gain a little bit of weight during this festive season and lose everything on the 1st of January. We hope you are safe on the roads when you travel, and we hope you rest. Everyone deserves a rest, Johns.
Yeah, thank you for the support over the last year, and all the likes and the comments and all the videos and all the good words. Unfortunately, this is my busy time of the year, so my project is starting in the next week, so I'll be working full-time for the next 4 to 5 weeks. So we'll definitely see you guys again at the end of January when our busy season is over. I wrapped my gift for this year.
We need to say bye-bye now.
Bye guys, we hope you have an awesome festive season, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.
Bye!
Bye! No, come back, you're my gift!